This is an awesome trick. Only use your thumb to control your iPhone. It's difficult to increase and decrease volume from left side using one hand. But with this settings, you can just control it with your thumb. Dragging down notifications with one hand is difficult, but now it's very easy. With just one tap, you can bring down all notifications. Accessing the control center is difficult, but now with just one tap, we can access all control center options. Locking screen also very easy, just a tap, no need to reach the button. To take screenshot, no need to use two hands. Just a tap and hold the assistive touch to take screenshot. No need to reach down and drag up. To use App Switcher, just double tap will show App Switcher. I have made full video showing step by step how you can set it up in your phone. Check out the link in description and comments. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. To get more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.